Hey there, future news superstar. Glowing star. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of news reporting, powered by the magic of AI? Get ready to turn words into captivating videos, watch as AI narrates your stories with flair, and discover the tricks to make your news stand out in the digital realm. Step 1. Pick your news style. Decide what type of news you want to share. Is it about general stuff, tech, fun, money, or something else? Knowing this helps you focus your content and use AI better. Step 2. AI writes the news. AI can help you write cool news stories. Think of it like a super smart robot assistant. But remember, you're the boss, so review and fix anything it gets wrong. Step 3. Turn words into videos. Use AI tools to change your written news into snazzy videos. It's like magic. Your words become moving pictures. Step 4. Give it a voice. Get an AI voice to speak in your videos. This is like getting a virtual news presenter. The AI can make your news sound awesome. Step 5. Make videos exciting. Use AI video editors to jazz up your videos. You can add cool stuff like graphics and special effects. Your news will look super professional. Step 6. Choose eye-catching pictures. AI can help pick great images for your videos. It's like having a smart helper to choose the best pictures that make people go, wow. Step 7. Share everywhere automatically. Use AI tools to post your videos on YouTube, Facebook, and other places. It's like having a robot assistant who spreads your news for you. Step 8. See who likes your news. AI can show you who watches your videos and where they're from. This helps you understand what people like, so you can give them more of it. Step 9. Get more views with magic words. Use AI to find the right words for your video titles and descriptions. This helps more people find and watch your news. Step 10. Keep learning and improving. AI and tech are always changing. Stay updated to make your news even better. Remember, you're the captain of your news ship. So there you go. With the power of AI, you can create an amazing news channel on YouTube that people will love to watch. Just remember to be the creative boss and make your news channel stand out.